Today we are shifting our focus to another crucial aspect of workplace ergonomics, and that is the impact of fatigue and stress on our bodies. Fatigue and stress are common experience in today's fast-paced work environments. While occasional tiredness or pressure can be normal, chronic fatigue and stress can take a significant toll on our physical and mental health, ultimately impacting our performance at work and our overall well-being. Fatigue. This can be actually described as a feeling of tiredness, exhaustion, or lack of energy. It can be physical, mental, or a combination of both. In the workplace, fatigue can be caused by long hours, demanding tasks, lack of sleep, poor nutrition, or underlying health conditions. When we are fatigued, our bodies and minds don't function optimally. We may experience reduced concentration and alertness. Our ability to focus and make decisions can be impaired, increasing the risk of errors and accidents. Slower reaction times. Our reflexes slow down, making it more difficult to respond quickly to hazards or unexpected situations. Increased muscle tension. Tight muscles are more prone to tension and cramps, which can lead to pain and ultimately discomfort. Poor coordination. Our movements may become less coordinated and precise, increasing the risk of slips, trips, and falls. Decreased productivity. Fatigue can lead to a decline in work output and quality, impacting both individual and team performance. Stress. Stress is actually our body's response to demands or challenges. While a certain level of stress can be motivating, chronic or excessive stress can be detrimental to our health. Workplace stresses can include tight deadlines, heavy workloads, conflicts with colleagues, or job insecurity. Stress can manifest in various ways, both physically and mentally. Muscle tension. Stress often leads to muscle tension, especially in the neck, shoulders, and back. This can trigger headaches, pain, and stiffness. Headaches. Tension headaches are a common symptom of stress, causing pain and discomfort in the head and neck. Digestive issues. Stress can disrupt the digestive systems, leading to symptoms like indigestion, nausea, or stomach pain. Difficulty sleeping. Stress can interfere with sleep patterns, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep. Anxiety and depression. Chronic stress can contribute to mental health conditions like anxiety and depression, ultimately affecting your mood, concentration, and overall well-being. Talking about the ultimate ergonomics connection, fatigue and stress can exacerbate the ergonomic risk factors. When we're tired or stressed, we're more likely to adopt our postures poorly, use excessive force, or neglect safety precautions. This can increase the risk of musculoskeletal disorders and other injuries. Strategies for managing fatigue and stress. Prioritize your sleep. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Practice healthy habits. Eat a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and engage in regular physical activities. Take breaks. Schedule regular breaks throughout the workday to rest, stretch, and recharge. Manage your workload. Prioritize tasks, delegate when possible, and communicate with your manager if you're feeling overwhelmed. Relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation techniques like the deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Seek support. If you're struggling with chronic fatigue or stress, don't hesitate to seek support from a healthcare professional or a counselor. By proactively managing fatigue and stress, we can improve our overall health, well-being, and work performance. Just remember, a healthy and happy worker is a productive worker.